Hello students, today I will discuss on GST, that is Goods and Services Tax. It is a very new tax which Indian government has recently implemented. Article 246A has empowered Indian government to implement GST in India. It is basically a destination based tax, and here the tax burden are borne by the final consumer. In GST, 8 central and 9 state government taxes are subsumed. In this slide, I have mentioned those central government taxes which are subsumed in GST now. These are specifically various types of excise tax and customs duties. It also includes service tax and surcharge and cess. By excise duty, we mean the tax which are levied on the manufacturing stage, and by custom duty, we mean those duties or tax which are levied on the imported goods. Banking transaction tax also can be think as a service tax. In this slide, here I have mentioned the all the 9 taxes which are previously collected by the state government and levied by the state government, but now these are under GST. These taxes are basically value added tax, sales tax, advertisement tax, taxes on lotteries, and state surcharge and cess. Uh, if we see the GST rate, we can see that there are 3 types of GSTs. These are central GST, state GST, and integrated GST. Central GSTs are GST which are imposed by the central government for intra-state supply. Intra-state means within state supply of goods, and there are also state GST which are levied by the state government. And also there are another type of GST, that is integrated GST, which are administered or levied by the central government, and it is imposed on those goods which are in interstate supply in nature. This means that those goods which cross different borders of different states. If we This clearly shows that India is implementing dual type of taxes. That is, one is central government GST and another is state government GST. We need a different 2 types of taxes because India is a federal country, so India needs India needs different that so the needs of the central government as well as the state government is different. So to meet the need of the central as well as the state government, India is implemented 2 types of GST, that is dual GST, or we can say that central GST and state GST differently. Okay, I think I have summarized the GST, and thank you for watching.